Okay, here we are, week 5B, HIIT 30-30 circuit. Okay, 6 different movements, 5 rounds. First movement is a bird dog cross connect, and we're going to do this for 15 seconds each. Right, so we've gone into that bird dog position before. Right, we're just going to move it on a little bit. So we're pushing through the floor with our hand, tucking our bum a little bit. Normal bird dog was this leg pushing back, but down towards the floor, not up. Again, an anti-extension movement, so we don't want you to be going into extension with it. So slight pelvic tilt, okay? Draw the ribs together a little bit, and we're gonna punch out, okay? Now, when we come back to the middle, I'm gonna bring my knee to my elbow, okay? Bring the knee to the elbow, so we get into that nice position again, and then I'm gonna push out. Being careful, I don't go into extension. I'm going to work on that for 15 seconds, and then I'm going to swap it over the other side, breathing all the way through it. Okay, movement 2, a plate held warrior lunge. So reverse lunge, and then we're going to raise this plate all the way overhead. All right? For the plate raise, what I want you to do is make sure you push your shoulders in front of your chest. Right, that's really important. Then we're going to go overhead so we can get full range in it. And that will be the same when we go into movement 4, which I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so we go into reverse lunge as we then raise overhead. Be careful we don't go into this hyperextension position. All right, punch up against the plate, stay active at all times, drive back through, return to the other leg. Okay, so we swap over, staying tight each time. Okay, so warrior lunge, back to start. Lunge, back to start. Okay. Third movement is a machine, right? Fourth movement is a raise movement again, so it's a plate front raise with a rotation, right? So we've done both of these movements, now we're going to mix them into one, I'm going to do them standing. So, front raise, right? Remember what I said about shoulders in front of the chest? From the side, I'll show you where we raise to. So there's a little hole in the plate, you should be able to look through the plate. So it comes just above shoulder height, and I can look through the plate. From that position, I'm then going to rotate across my body, keeping my eyes where they are, and then back across again. Back to the middle, come back down. So it's controlled movements. Watch, up, little pause, rotate, rotate, back to the middle, come back down. Okay? Pushing away at the plate at all times. All right? It isn't a body rotation movement. I'm rotating my arms across my chest, okay? Head like hips, so they're facing forwards. Okay, third movement, sorry, that was the fourth movement. The fifth movement is a side plank dip, okay? So side plank position, feet on feet, hand on hip, okay? Whole arm on the floor, 15 seconds on, and then we rotate to the other side. Right, so from this side plank position, we're going to dip towards the floor, come back up. Dip towards the floor, come back up. All right, what we don't want to be doing is coming right up into this position. Right, so we're just going to dip, come back to neutral. Dip, come back to neutral. 15-15, okay? Movement 6 is the machine. All right, so we've got bird dog cross connect, 15-15. We'll stay on the same side each time. 15 seconds, obviously opposite arm, opposite leg, change on 15, warrior lunge, which is an alternate lunge anyway, raise overhead, machine, plate front raise with double rotation, back to the start and go again, side plank dip, 15-15, and then machine. Enjoy it.